Hi there, let's play through Gordon Lightfoot's song for a winter's night. Be sure you've reviewed the tutorials. There are a couple tricky things in here, not least of all the guitar strum. Make sure you're ready with that. You got the verse, the chorus, and remember the last chorus has a little bit of a different ending. All right, that's our cheat sheet. Here we go, let's dive right in. The lamp is burning upon my tabletop. The snow is softly falling. The air is still in the silence of my room. I hear your voice softly calling. Chorus 1. If I could only have you near to breathe a sigh or two, I would be happy just to hold the hands I love on this winter's night with you. Verse 2. The smoke is rising in the shadows overhead. My glass is almost empty. I read again between the lines upon each page the words of love you sent me. Chorus 2. If I could know within my heart that you feel lonely too, I would be happy just to hold the hands I love on this winter's night with you. Verse 3. The fire is dying, now my lamp is growing dim. The shades of night are lifting. The morning light steals across my window pane, where webs of snow are drifting. Back to chorus 1. If I could only have you near to breathe a sigh or two, I would be happy just to hold the hands I love. Watch here on this winter night with you. To be once again with you. End on tree. Beautiful, nice work. I know that takes a lot, this one, but I really think it's worth it. Thank you so much for joining me. Come on back, practice with me anytime. Really important, you can always ditch that strum pattern just to work on the chords as you go through, or likewise, ditch the chords and just work on that guitar strum. There's no need to work on both things at the same time. It'll be a lot more efficient if you can master one layer, master the other layer, and then start to weave them together. The other thing you can do is adjust the playback speed. Click on that settings wheel below and playback speed, go to 0.75. That'll slow things down if I was going a little fast for you. All right. Don't forget to practice on your own though. Really important to really get to know this song from the inside out. As I like to say, it's a beautiful, beautiful tune. Enjoy your practice.